Hello, it's Paul here from Sir Fix-a-Lock, and I'm just leaving an online review here, video review for Captain Rugwash, aka Andy Hill from ECS Southwest, Executive Cleaning Services Southwest. Andy is now in his 10th year as Captain Rugwash, and I had him come round to my place to get the carpet cleaned. Essentially, I've been here for over 2 years now, and besides myself using this place every day, I have customers coming in who walk in off the street and their dirty feet, no matter what the weather's like out there, being Plymouth, quite wet, come into the place and the carpet was quite dirty and needing it. Also, a couple of weeks ago, my poor little monkey, not this one here, that little one down there she is. Poor little girl wasn't well. Needless to say, I was down on my hands and knees trying to get the carpet clean. Can't be done. As professional I am as a locksmith, I am nowhere near good at carpet cleaner, so I needed someone who I know quite well to come round. Business is personal, and I know Andy very well, and I know his professionalism is something that I wanted to buy into, such as his standards. I knew that he would raise to my standards, which are very high. Being ex-army for 25 years, I do have high standards of cleanliness. So I trusted Andy fully to come round to my place and get it done, to get rid of all the customers' mess and to get rid of poor little Lottie's mess. She looks so innocent. She's not. Anyway, the carpet, as I say, was a couple of years old now. I had it laid whenever I went into the place, so I knew what it looked like when it was brand new. Andy got to work, and in literally only a couple of hours, he had the place absolutely immaculate, even to my standards, which was brilliant. Testament to his professionalism. Not only was it cleaned very quickly, it was also dried. He had these special fans which go under the floor to make sure that everything's dry, so there was no lots of moisture around the place to start walking the dirt back into the place. I just want to show you the carpet itself. It is a good hard wearing carpet, a good commercial carpet, but it is now absolutely spotless. And I definitely couldn't be more than happy with the standards that's done. And I would say that if you have got a dirty carpet, then please give Andy a call, as he will do it to the best of standards and it will come up brand new again. Andy is also a master rug cleaner. He's the only one in the region who specialises properly into it. So if you do have a rug, don't just take it and get it done anywhere. It does need professional care to look after a rug. Certainly seeing what Andy can do with the floors, the carpets here, I would definitely recommend them for anything that you have of those likes. I know he also does stoneware and wooden floors as well to make sure they come to immaculate standards. So to Captain Rugwash, Andy, thank you very much. Mega happy with those standards, and you would pass a block inspection if I was your sergeant major. Thank you.